to Knowledge Bar. My name is Jerry, and this is the Define R4 mid-tower case from Fractal Design. What I want to take advantage of today is not just to show you this particular case, but to talk about some fundamental case design concepts that have become popular in recent years. Let's take a closer look. Alright, now the first thing I want to point out about this case is that it's heavy. This is a 27-pound case, and what that gives us is sturdy design. Heavy doors, all of them completely padded for noise reduction. And that's on the back side too. Also, thumb screws. We certainly don't want to have to constantly pull out a screwdriver to make minor adjustments to our case, but again, heavy solid doors padded throughout. This case is designed to hold your equipment and keep things quiet around you. Notice how, right off the bat, you notice how, here's how the panel is set back in here for both the interface panel for your motherboard and your add-in cards. And the reason why that is that the fan assembly has been pushed back. The fan assembly doesn't stick out into the case, blocking access to any parts of the board or any other cards that you might have. So because the design decision is made to push this exit fan back, everything else has to be, you have to reach in to get it. Which is, the downside for here is that you end up using standard screw assemblies in order to clear these openings here for your expansion slots. But that's a pretty good compromise, I think, in order to maintain this clean open area in here. Also, again, airflow is always meant to come in through the front of the case, over our equipment, and then out the case. All right, we have flow hole exhaust up at the top here. We have an exhaust fan here. You're going to have your CPU, which is going to extract the heat off of your CPU, and then that hot air is blown out through these panels. You have exits on the bottom, but that's meant for the cooling of power supply. So the power supply, its fan assembly, is dedicated to keeping itself cool. These pass-throughs all through the back panel here are meant for cable management. Our ability to take our cabling, whether it's going to be for our power supply, and rather than have all those octopus cables clutter the interior of the case blocking airflow, you're going to want to run it all through these back panels in here. Cable management is kept back in here in order to maintain contact, and then again, to support that, we're going to gain access to our drives from the back here. We have, again, easily removed mounts for your hard drives, and they all have rubber grommets in here for vibration damping, also maintaining a quiet environment. And so what you would do is that we would want to actually put our connectors in the back and then run all the connectors for power and data through the back here. And again, we don't have them coming across over the front of the opening that way. So again, we want to manage our cables. We're going to maintain our airflow. We have ease and access to our drives. So this is going to be fundamental to a variety of the cases that we have here at Micro Center. And if you want to see more, come on in and ask some more questions. Thanks for watching.